వెల్కమ్ టు వికాస్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్స్ పోచంపల్లి. ఈరోజు నేను ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా హాఫ్ సారీస్ పర్చేజ్ చేయబోతున్నాను. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్, ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 5500 నుంచి 6000 వరకు ఉంటాయండి.
This is orange and pink combination lehenga with double border. This is lehenga and this is blouse. Price is 6000 rupees. This is rare combination, grey and copper sulphate combination. This is complete lehenga. This is blouse and with tissue and kaddi border. Price is 6000 rupees. It's a rare combination. This is green and blue combination with kaddi border and it's Rajasthan design. This is lehenga. This is blouse. Price is 6000 rupees. This is pink and blue combination lehenga with split border. There are two borders in this. This is lehenga. This is blouse. Price 6000 rupees. This is yellow and pink combination lehenga. It's a tradition design. You can see elephants and parrots. You can see tissue in this with kaddi border. This is complete lehenga. This is blouse. Price is 6000 rupees. It's a rare combination. And this is also rare combination, dark pink with blue combination. It's a peacock design with kaddi border, lehenga, and this is blouse. This lehenga length will be 2.9 lehenga and 90 centimeters blouse. Price is 6000 rupees. And this is green and blue combination. It's Rajasthan design. This is lehenga and this is blouse. It's a rare combination. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6000 rupees. It's Rajasthan design. And this is rare combination, coffee color with pink combination, pink border. It's kaddi border and you can see elephants and parrots. And it's a rare combination. This is lehenga and this is blouse. It's pink combination. It's rose color. You can see the complete lehenga. Price is 6000 rupees. And this is also rare combination, yellow with pink blue combination. You can see two split borders with tissue border with peacocks, and in border you can see elephants and parrots. It's a rare combination. This is lehenga and this is blouse. It's blue combination with there also in blouse also you can see two borders. And this is bottle green with red combination. It's a rare combination. You can see peacocks in this middle of the lehenga, and there are two borders in this with tissue border. In border you can see elephants and parrots. It's a rare combination. And this is complete lehenga and this is blouse with red combination. In blouse also you can see the two borders with tissue. And this is rare combination, copper sulphate with orange combination. It's a rare combination. In this border you can see two borders with peacocks, and middle of the lehenga will be copper sulphate. And this is blouse. Blouse will be the orange and price is 6000 rupees. It's a rare combination. This is green and pink combination. There are two borders in this with peacocks and it's Rajasthan design. In middle of the color will be yellow and green shade. This is blouse. In blouse also you can see two borders. This is also red combination. This is complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. This is sea green with blue combination lehenga with two border, kaddi border. In this middle of the border you can see peacocks. This is blouse. Blouse is in blue color. It's Pochampalli Ikat lehenga. 2.9 centimeters lehenga with 90 centimeters blouse. In this shade you can. This is Pochampalli Ikat lehengas. There are color available in this lehengas. And this is pink, green and combination. This is kaddi border with in border you can see elephants. This is blouse. Blouse is in green color. This price is 6,000. My shop name is Vikas Handlooms. It's Pochampalli, Bhudan Pochampalli. Shop number 24 and 25. AKLB Complex, Pochampalli. We provide courier service all over India. This is yellow and black combination. Double border. In this border you can see deers. It's a rare combination. And this is blouse. We provide courier service all over India. This price is 6,000 rupees. There are color available in this lehengas. This is orange and green combination with two borders. In the border you can see deers. And this is blouse. It's Pochampalli Ikat lehengas. 2.9 centimeters of lehenga, 90 centimeters of blouse. There are color available in this lehengas. And this is pink with blue combination. It's a rare combination. It's small kaddi border. And middle of the lehengas you can see butterflies with two colors, green and yellow combination. And in border you can see swan design. It's a rare combination. It's multicolor. There are color available in this lehengas. And this is blouse. Lehenga cost is 6,000 rupees. And this is yellow and copper sulphate combination with two kaddi borders. In this middle of the border you can see deers combination. It's a rare combination. It's Pochampalli Ikat lehengas. And this is blouse. Blouse is copper sulphate color. In lehenga, in blouse you can see two kaddi borders. This is also rare combination. And this is green and pink combination. It's tradition lehenga. Middle of the lehenga you can see elephants and parrots with kaddi border. And this is lehenga blouse with kaddi border blouse. It's Pochampalli Ikat lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. And this is blue and purple combination lehenga with kaddi border. In this border you can see elephants and parrots. In middle of the lehenga you can see peacock design. It's a rare combination with blue and purple combination. And this is blouse. Blouse is in purple color with kaddi border. This price is 6,000 rupees. You can see complete lehenga. It's a rare combination. And this is coffee color with pink combination. You can see double border. In this border you can see elephants. And this in middle of the design is Rajasthan design. It's a rare combination. You can see the blouse. Blouse in pink color with cutty border. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. Our contact number is 99591 95299. We are having a website. It's vikashandlooms.com. This is grey and pink combination with cutty border. In this border you can see deer's pattern. It's a rare combination. You can see blouse. Blouse is also in double border. This is also rare combination. Price is 6,000 rupees. And this is patola design, royal blue with pink combination. You can see double border. In this border you can see peacock design. This is Pochampalli Ikkat tradition lehenga, patola design. You can see the blouse. Blouse is in pink color with cutty border. There are color available in the design. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. And this is green and blue combination lehenga. It's a rare combination with cutty border. In this border you can see peacock design, and this design named as Rajasthan design. And this is blouse. Blouse is in blue color. Lehenga size is 2.90 centimeters lehenga and 90 centimeters blouse. It's a rare combination. You can see complete lehenga. And this is grey and pink combination with two cutty borders. In this border you can see peacock design and tree design. It's Rajasthan design. It's a rare combination. There are color available in this lehengas. And this is blouse. Blouse also is having double border. It's a multicolor. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. This is patola design, Pochampalli Ikkat patola design with green and pink combination with cutty border. In border you can see peacock design. It's Pochampalli Ikkat patola design. And this is blouse. Blouse is in pink color with cutty border. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. There are color available. This is purple with orange combination. It's a rare combination with cutty border. And this is blouse. Blouse is in the orange color with cutty border. It's a rare combination. Price is 6,000 rupees. Lehenga size is 2.90 centimeters lehenga, 90 centimeters blouse. Price is 6,000 rupees. This is green and blue combination with cutty border. In this border you can see elephant design. It's Rajasthan design. And this is blouse. Blouse is in blue color with cutty border. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. This is blue and orange combination. It's multicolor combination with two cutty borders. And this border you can see elephants. And this design named as Rajasthan design. And this is blouse. Blouse is also having cutty border with two borders. Price is 6,000 rupees. We provide courier services all over India, free service. We are having weaving around 200 to 300 weavers. And this is combination green and blue pink combination with cutty border. In this border you can see swan design. This design named as, and this is blouse. You can see blouse pink color with cutty border. We are having looms of ikat lehengas, saris, dupattas, cotton materials, cotton fabrics. This price is 6,000 rupees. This is rare combination, orange and black combination with 2 cutty border. In this border you can see deer's design with tree design. Lehenga size is 2.90 centimeters lehenga, 90 centimeters blouse. This is black blouse with cutty border. You can see complete lehenga. There are color available in this combinations, designs. You can see more color options in this design. And this is blue and pink combination with cutty border. In this border you can see elephant design and with Rajasthan design. In this design you can see green and pink combination. There are 2 color in this. And this is blouse in pink color with cutty border. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. There are more color available in this design. This is yellow and blue combination. It's a rare combination. It's double border. You can see in border deer's design. In middle of the tree design with diamond design. This is blouse. In blouse 2 cutty border available. You can see complete lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. There are color available in the design. This is Pochampalli ikat special tradition design with elephants design and in cutty border. In this border you can see swan design. It's a Pochampalli ikat tradition design with elephants. It's a rare combination. You can see blouse is with cutty border. Size is 2.9 centimeters lehenga and 90 centimeters blouse. It's Pochampalli ikat tradition lehenga. Price is 6,000 rupees. You can see more color options in this design. We are having a website. Our name as vikashandlooms.com. You can see each and every product in our products in our website. Our contact number is 9959195299. It's Pochampalli ikat. Our complex name is AKLB Complex, shop number 24 and 25. You can visit out to our shop anytime. Thank you very much.